The South Korean economy is extending its recovery momentum thanks to solid growth in exports and employment figures. But the finance ministry says that economic uncertainty remains high due to the fast-spreading Omicron variant, as well as external risks such as soaring oil prices from the ongoing war in Ukraine. Suk-hyen reports.
South Korea's major economic indicators are showing signs of growth, but the blazing spread of the Omicron variant is feared to hit the recovery in domestic demand. In its monthly economic report on Friday, the finance ministry said the country saw a sharp rise in employment and exports. Last month, South Korea posted its biggest on-year job growth in 22 years. The number of people employed stood at 27.4 million in February, up 1.04 million from a year earlier. Exports also extended their growth, rising by more than 20% on year on the back of solid outbound shipments of semiconductors and petroleum products. Despite these encouraging numbers, however, the finance ministry expressed concerns over domestic demand.
Recently, the Korean economy has continued to show a solid growth in exports and employment, but there are concerns over constraints to recovery in domestic demand due to the COVID-19 variant.
Following a surge in new infections, South Korea's consumer confidence fell in February. The composite consumer sentiment index stood at 103.1 last month, down 1.3 points from the previous month. The finance ministry also noted that uncertainties remain high from external economic risks, including the recent U.S. rate hike and Russia's war against Ukraine. The ministry vowed to take risk control measures to cope with such uncertainties, driven by both internal and external factors. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.